Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK unit number 30 and our topic is science in our surroundings. So, now let's learn about our topic. Science. What is sign? Signs are used to convey information in a pictorial form. So, this has many advantages over written instruction. So, people who talk a different languages can understand the same common sign. Instruction for some tasks can be clear when given as a drawing. So, signs are used to convey information and the pictorial form of these has many advantages over written instruction, and people who talk different languages can understand the same common sign. An instruction for some task can be cleared when given as a drawing. So, sign and symbol. So, signs and symbols commonly used in a everyday situation. Road sign, information, engineering, symbol, flow charts and circuits and circuit and diagrams are type of drawings that you will need to know about for your exam. So, signs and symbols are commonly used in everyday situation. So, symbols and signs are used in every situation. So, sign. So, there are different families of sign, and these are mandatory sign, prohibition sign, warning sign, safety sign, and danger sign. So there are so many types of sign, and this sign is mandatory sign, prohibition sign, warning sign, safety sign, and danger sign. So now let's learn about different types of sign. So traffic signs that regulate roadways to help drivers use the roadway in ordinary fashion. So, the traffic signs that regulate a roadway to help driver use the roadway in an ordinary fashion, and regularity signs used to do following as shapes: octagon, octagon, equilateral, triangle with the point down, and vertical rectangle. So the colors used for a regularity signs are red and white. So the traffic signs that regulate roadways and to help drivers use the roadways in an ordinary fashion. So regularity signs used to following shapes and like octagon, equilateral, triangle, which of point down, and vertical rectangle. And these colors used regular sign in a red and white. So these signs are used to warn drivers and allow accurate time for a cute's response. So these signs are often diamond shape, pentagon shape, potential obscurations ahead, and the color used for a warning sign are yellow and green, and because these are a brighter color, make these signs more visible in the foggy or rainy condition. So, these signs are used to warn drivers and allow accurate time for a cautious response. And these signs are often diamond shaped, pentagon shaped, and potential observations ahead. And the color used for warning signs are yellow and green. And because of these are brighter color, make these signs more visible in a foggy or rainy condition. So now let's learn our next slide, and it's informative traffic sign is also known as guide sign, and informative traffic signs are also known as a guide sign, and informative signs are green, blue, or white. So these informative signs are often horizontally rectangle, while roadway designations signs can be shaped like shades and rectangles. So, information traffic signs, also known as a guide sign, and it's a signs color like green, blue, and white. So while roadway designation sign can be shaped like shields and rectangles. So temporary sign, that road work crews paused in the construction zones to warn to of danger and regulate this traffic are orange and often in the shape of the diamond and horizontal rectangle. Temporary sign, that road work crews point in the construction zones and to warn of a danger of or regulate the traffic or orange and often in the shape of a diamond and horizontal rectangle. So, traffic safety rules. So, there are some traffic safety rules, and this is keep on your left along the vehicle, keep on your left, allowing the vehicle from the opposite direction to pass and give way to traffic on your light, especially at road junctions and roundabout while turning either left or right. Give way to vehicle going straight while turning left. Keep to left side and turn close to the left side of the road to which you enter. Traffic safety at a vehicle. So always use the helmet if on the two-wheeler, and always check that the strap on a fixed properly and stick to given speed limit, and remember that speed limit is related to the traffic condition. So, keep enough distance from the vehicle ahead to avoid collision. So, keep enough distance from the vehicle and avoid collisions, and yellow lines should not be crossed under any condition. Some traffic safety at vehicle is always wear a helmet for a two-wheeler and jack that sharp fixed properly, and yellow line should not be crossed under any condition. Okay, now next, traffic safety at on road. So at the signal, do not stop your vehicle on the pedestrian crossing, and two-wheelers are meant only for a two, and third person is not allowed when even children. Two-wheelers are meant only for a two, and third person is not allowed even a children. And do not start your vehicle on the amber light and wait for the light to turn green. And do not drive in the zigzag manner. Do not drive in the zigzag manner. So, children, you all are understand that these traffic rules you all must be followed, and do not start your vehicle on the amber light and wait for the light to turn green. So here also we can see a traffic symbol. So there are a traffic symbol, and these all are different types of meanings, and this is we find or see in a highway or in a road. So now next, traffic light. So traffic light, which may also known as spots lights and traffic lamp and traffic signals route. So it's a red, uh, red, yellow, and green. So this light so red, yellow, and green using a universal color code and comparison by those who are color blind. So it's a red lights, red, yellow, and green illuminate of the red signal prohibits any traffic from the processing, and yellow lights denoting and the safe to do so, prepare to stop short of the intersections, and green lights allow to traffic to process in a direction donated. So red, yellow, and green, these are signal lights. So traffic signs. So the traffic road signs are errand at the side of road and provide information to road. And with the traffic volumes increased over the last 8 decades, many countries have adopted pictorial signs, so otherwise simplified and the standardized their signs. So, such as a pictorial signs used symbol in a place of words and usually based on international protocols. So, traffic types of traffic sign. So there are four types of traffic signs. First, regulatory sign. Second, warning sign. Number third, informative signs, and number four, temporary traffic control. So these four types of warning types of traffic sign. Now first, zebra crossing. Zebra, zebra crossing. Crossing, zebra crossing. So here we can see a photograph of zebra crossing sign, and a zebra crossing is a type of pedestrians crossing used in many places around the world, and its distinguishing features is that is give a priority and pedestrians once someone has indicate their intent to cross by stopping into the crossing. Motorists are obliged to stop. So, a zebra crossing is a type of a pedestrian crossing used in many places around the world. So, this sign is called zebra crossing sign, and we find these signs on the road and the highway. Okay, now next, beware of dogs. So, here we can see a photograph of beware of dog. Sign is beware of dogs. So, this sign is dog owner shall not be vulnerable to someone. United Nation agency suffers bodily injury, serious bodily injury or death from the being bitten by the dog, and whereas the person is on a property of a dog owner, and therefore the property is clearly and prominently marked with one or additional announced signs and starting no trespassing or beware of dog. So, a dog owner shall not be vulnerable to someone. United Nations agency suffers a bodily injury, serious bodily injury, or a death from being bitten by the dog, and wherever the person is a property of dog owner, and there for the property is clearly and prominently marked with one or additional announced signs, and it's starting with beware of dog. So beware of dog. Also, this is a sign of beware of dog. So I make it to the fans in 2.8 seconds. Janet and I were knocking doors during the campaigning. Use a road rail on the front porch and these signs at the gate. We went to the next house. So these types of sign we see in someone's house. Okay, now next, no parking. So this is a symbol of no parking. This is a symbol of no parking. Here we can see also color used black and red. So mostly we find that a sign is in a road sign. We find that mostly color used in a red, black, and white. So no parking. NOPARKING. No parking. No parking signs are essential piece to keeping your facility safe. While it's important to have a messaging that instructor drivers to stop, yield, and where not to enter, it's equally necessary to instruct drivers, so particularly those who are not used to facility where parking is prohibited. So, no parking is a sign are the essential piece to keeping your facility safe, and messaging that instructs drivers to stop and yield and where not to enter. It's equally necessary to instruct driver and those who are not used to facility where parking is prohibited. So children, you all are understand that this symbol is a no parking symbol. or a sign. Okay, now next, and it's a stop. So here we can see a photograph of stop sign. STOP, stop. Stop. A stop sign is a traffic sign designed to notify drivers that they must come to a complete stop and make sure that interactions is safety, clear of vehicles and pedestrians before continuing past the sign. And the familiar red octagonal shape and this stop sign shape is a octagonal shape, and stop sign is now the standard in most of the world, and countries may use different languages. So, but that red octagon with a white border means that the same thing in the nearly all of them stop. So here we can see a octagon shape and white border, and it means stop, and you all familiar with a red octagonal shape. So the stop sign is traffic sign and designed to notify drivers that they must come to a complete stop and make sure that interactions is safety clear of vehicles. So children, you all are understand about this sign. So now we are going to learn next slide, and it's a do not honk. So here we can see a photograph of do not honk sign. So think twice about using your car horn. Think twice about using your car horn, as it says on the tin, the no blowing of a horn sign is a regulatory signatures that order a driver to entering a particular area to avoid using his or her car horn. So, for the benefit of those who don't know, blowing your car horn, it means to warn other drivers on the road. So, think twice about using your car horn, as it says on the tin, the no blowing of horn signs that regulatory signature that order drivers entering a particular area to avoid using his or her car horn. For the benefit of those who don't know, blowing your car horn means to warn other drivers on the road. So, this is a symbol or a sign about do not honk. Okay, now number next, and it's a school ahead. So here we can see a photograph or a symbol or a sign of school ahead. So it's black and yellow in a color. School ahead signs give a driver's advice a warning of an upcoming school, so they can slow down and known to watch for a children crossing. School ahead signs give a driver's advice to warning of an upcoming school, so they can slow down and know to watch for a children crossing. And post stop ahead signs to let drivers to slow down and get ready to come to complete stop. And school ahead signs alert drivers of crossing school children. So, a school ahead signs give drivers advice to warning of upcoming school so that they can slow down and know to watch the children crossing. And signs alert drivers of crossing school children. So, children, you all are understand about these different types of road sign. So, now we are doing exercise on this unit number 30, signs in our surrounding. Sign in our surrounding. So, given below are some signs and notice which you must have seen and can you match them. So, number first, what is this sign about? What is this sign about? What is this sign? Yes, it's a zebra crossing. So it's a sign about zebra crossing. Very good. Okay, now number two, what is this sign about? Yellow and black, and we see in write down beware of dog. So yes, it's a sign about beware of dog. Very good. Okay, now next, what is this sign about? We see here red, black, and white in a color, and we see here that P. So it's a no parking. So it's a sign of no parking. Very good. Okay, number 5, we see here that octagon shape, white border, and write down it's a stop. So that's why is a stop sign. Very good. Okay, now number 7, red and black in a color, and also see some notification. So it's a do not honk. Very good. Okay, now number 8 and last, school children and yellow and black board and write down ahead. So what is this? Yes, it's a school ahead. Very good. So, it's a school ahead, no parking, stop, do not honk, and school ahead. Very good, children. So, you all enjoy. Hope you all learn and enjoy this lecture. So, students, I will see you next time. And also, students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home, and stay safe. So, thank you, students. Bye bye, everyone.